So I'm going to replace both of these clips. The one on the right, which is supposed to be a green one, is missing in action. In all honesty, it's probably inside of the tailgate somewhere, but we're gonna install that one and then remove the red one and put a brand new one in. So I got these off of Amazon, 5 pairs for $5. Link is in the description if you want to buy them from Amazon. There you go. So definitely check those out if you need them. This truck did not come with the bezel installed, so we're going to replace this too. Looks like it just clips in, so that's super easy to install in place. Naturally, you would have to remove this bezel, and it looks like if you just get a nylon pry tool and put it right up against that side and that side, kind of pop it out that way, you'll get it out. All right, so I'm gonna have to find the best way to get my hands in there so you all can see what's going on. But the first thing I kind of did was move the little arm here, because you are gonna have to move that around to get it into place. Looks like to install this, we're gonna put this in first, kind of plop it in place, and then move the arm over, stick that on through, just lift up, and there we go. So let's do the other side. Pop that down. New clip. Grab your new one, install it. There we go. So now to finish up the job, just gonna open up a new bezel here. That's the part number in the description as well. On the back we have some sticky tape, so we'll just peel all that off. Can only go on one way. And of course, we'll probably need them again, so save them for that time.